Hey guys, so I just want to ask you a question. So what is holding you back? What is holding you back from taking the next steps in your life to live life on your own terms? So the mind is a very powerful tool, and we can be trained for so long into doing things, over and over again, and being afraid to really try something new, to really get us to a place where we want to be. um Before I started this journey, I just always thought I was going to be at a regular old 9 to 5 job. But as I really started to really look um, into this journey, into this opportunity, I saw that there was something way more, and I saw that it was something that I was going to enjoy. Now, a lot of people, they do, enjoy their 9 to 5 jobs. They enjoy what they do, and that's really, really awesome. And at first, when I started off, in my career, I really enjoyed what I did as well. But over the years, things just changed. Things just changed in my mindset. Things just changed for me where, I just wanted better. I wanted to be free. I didn't want to be in bondage. Behind a desk for like 8 hours a day. I just wanted something different. And when I ran into this opportunity, of course I was like, well, how, can I do this? Because I was just so trained that, you just go to work. You get paid, every 2 weeks or so. And then, you come home. That's it. That's your life. But well, that's your, career. But, it's just when I got in this opportunity, it just opened up my eyes to so many other opportunities. So I just want to encourage you, if you're looking for, a different path, looking for like a different a career change, definitely look into internet marketing. It's not something that, I know you're not just gonna, leave your job tomorrow and just go full blown into, but it is something that you can work up to, where you can fire your boss, where you don't have to continue to in that same pattern that you have year after year after year. I have just looked on, social media sites, and I have seen so many people just say, I hate my job, I hate my job, I hate my job. Well, if you hate your job, you have to make that choice. You have to make that decision to do something about it, to step out. Like I said, I know that this is not something that you're automatically going to be able to fire your boss tomorrow, but it is something that's going to lead you up into that place. And I follow this one lady on Facebook, and within 8 months of doing this business, I mean, she is just rocking it out, bringing home about $2,000 every single week doing this. So the more you hustle, I'm sorry about that. The more you hustle, the more you, get the training and get everything that you need, you'll be able to do this too. So definitely just consider that. Be encouraged to just step out there and not to live in fear, and, and stop listening to what everybody else is saying. People do have, somewhat good advice, but people only have advice when it comes to, to you sometimes, because everybody does their own thing, and everybody knows the situation that they're in. So I definitely just want to encourage you, if you're looking for a career change, you're looking to step out, go ahead, do your research and start building the blocks to bring about that freedom in your life that you need. Like I said, if you're, okay with, working your 9 to 5 job, that's great, because I mean, it's great when you can just love your job, but there are so many people that hate their jobs. And I want to be able to appeal to those people, and also those people who may not be able to work, a regular 9 to 5 job. This is a great opportunity to jump into. But I just want to encourage you and to just step out because sometimes just living in our comfort zone, we'll continue to do the same thing over and over again. And, we're right where we are for years and years to come. So be encouraged. Make today your best day. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.